Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be Minced Meat Beancurd. You will be able to find this dish in a lot of places and shops, but it's time to treat yourself in your own home. And so it's cooking time. Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients. Finely chop the green onions. As for the last white part, you can finely chop them or make them into a nice garnish. So cut open the white portion and slice a few times on the surface. The onions will curl itself. That will be your garnish. Cut the red pepper from the top sideways down and julienne cut them. That's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. Don't throw away the plastic container from the tofu. I will explain why later. Steam the beancurd for 4 minutes. When pouring away the excess water from the beancurd, use the container to hold the beancurd. Another way is to use a stick or chopstick to put in front of the beancurd to prevent it from sliding down. Let's prepare the sauce. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the garlic and stir them. When the fragrance is out, add in the minced meat. When the meat is almost cooked, add in all the condiments. Once it's well mixed, turn off the fire and add in the green onions. And finally, pour over the minced meat on the beancurd and you are done. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See ya in the next video. Cheers!